In this video, I'm going to show you how to trade in Exness. Now, the first thing you want to do, you want to sign into your account, and then over here on your account dashboard, you want to hit on the trading button top left, and then you want to click on My Accounts. Now, in here, inside your accounts, you'll be able to sort between your real and then your demo accounts as well. I'm going to showcase on how to actually trade in Exness with a demo account, but a similar process can be applied when you're using a real account. So basically what you have to do, you just have to click on the trade button over here whenever you have an account. If you don't have one yet, either open up a real one or a demo one by clicking open account button over here and then proceeding through the steps that are going to be on your screen. But if you do have an account already, just click on trade over here. And then here, of course, you have a few options. If you selected an MP4 or MP5 account, you'll be able to go ahead and connect it to either MP5 or MP4. You can also watch the video on my channel regarding that if you'd like to basically use Exness on either MT5 or MT4, or you can just go ahead and use the Exness terminal where you can trade directly from your browser. I'm just going to click on that, and this is going to take me to basically Exness's trading platform, and this is what it looks like. Now here to actually trade, it's very simple. First, you have to go ahead and go up here to the very top left where it says Instruments. And then inside search, you just want to find the instrument you would like to trade. So for example, let's look for Ethereum. There we go. I'm going to click on it. It's going to open up over here. And then on the right hand side, you can select if you want irregular or one-click trading. And of course, you can switch between the two. And then you can go ahead and either select market or pending orders, where you can then set the volumes you'd like to buy, take profits, stop losses, etc. And then you can just hit the buy button or the sell button over here, and therefore you will select between buy and sell, and you can just confirm either buying or selling down at the bottom, click on it, and therefore you'll open a position just like that. So that's pretty much how you trade with Exness. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.